Don't you think?
Well, I don't know what the similarities.
Well, they were holding hands.
Oh, okay, there you go.
Just like us.
Careful.
I got my helmet too tight. I got my helmet too tight.
Tight?
Yeah.
Well, your hat's probably helping that.
Messing it up. Oh, ran over a rock. I don't know, felt like I was gonna get a flat. That would really suck.
Yeah.
Because we're down a ways.
Yeah.
In the grand scheme of things, we're about 2 miles out.
Yeah, well, if we get a flat, guess what? We get to walk home.
Wait, I'll tell you how far we are out. 2.8 miles. See, I was a piss poor guesser.
This thing dropped on the rock. It went from 120
Oh, look, king tide. It's gonna wash out our path.
did last night. You see that?
Was it up again last night?
Well, you see where it went across the blacktop.
Oh, yeah. Yep. Yes, sirree.
And it's been up every night for the last 4 nights. Because we had suicidal shrimp on our seawall.
Yeah, jumping out. Yeah. Should have ate them.
Well, there would have been one apiece.
Not quite enough for a shrimp cocktail.
About 5.
Okay, what's our next scenery here? We're on Cudjoe Key.
Well, that'd be US 1. Because we have to cross US 1 eventually.
Okay, what's next though? Blimp Road intersection?
I don't know.
How fast we going?
15.3.
14 on mine. How's your bike running?
Fine. Running very fine.
How's your horn?
It's a lovely bell.
What time's our smoked boneless ribs gonna be done?
Well, hopefully the smoke's slow. And they'll be done for supper. But
Yay!
I don't know. They might be done for lunch.
Boo, boo. We got a turkey sandwich for lunch with us.
I know.
We can't eat 2 lunches.
Well, I know, but you don't want them to be overcooked either.
That's right.
You want them nice and juicy and done.
Well, it's gonna be interesting
I think they'll be okay.
to see where they get boneless smoked ribs from. Comes from a pig for sure. Oh look, they fixed the bump. You know how I can tell?
Yeah, new blacktop.
Yep.
There's some more up here.
Oh good, they fixed that one too.
Yeah, some of them will get real bad.
Yeah, you can come down here and...
Good yourself.
Oh, here's the realty place. First danger zone. Okay, we're not going down to Blimp Road today. We're just gonna keep on trucking.
Sorry for that man that crashed here. He was all cut up, remember?
Okay, Blimp Road, approaching Blimp Road, stop sign. Looks pretty serious as a stop sign.
There's someone walking the dog.
There we go. Stop. California stop. And that dog looked pretty happy to be out and about.
Yeah, I sure nice day. Somebody's not shitting the bike wall.
What's that little green sign say? Right there. It says Old State Road 4A. Look, we're about to catch up with people. Yeah, plenty of people. We'll have to do some signaling.
I seen women riding their bikes yesterday past our house.
Yeah.
Using the wrong hand signals. They need to learn hand signals. They're sitting there pointing. Oh,
Yeah.
Going over here.
Okay. Looks like we'll all be crossing at the same time. Good morning. Okay. There's another good drone flying spot right here. Yep.
White car guys, ready?
Ready? Good to go. Yahoo. Okay, that was painless. Okay, we just rode all of Cudjoe Key. And we're coming up to the fishing bridge by the Sugarloaf KOA. There's usually some people down here fishing. There's always some pelicans standing around. I'll get the name of the channel because it says so right on the bridge. This is called Bow Channel, like a bow and arrow. Bow Channel Fishing Bridge. And as predicted, stinky garbage cans and pelicans standing around. Howdy, pelican. A lot of my friends have been fishing here. You can tell by all the line on the high wires. Another pelican. Howdy, pelican.